Number 9, the figure shown was created by placing the vertices of a square on a circle. Use the ruler provided to measure the dimensions of the square and the circle to the nearest centimeter. Okay, so this tells us we're going to use centimeters. All right, the vertices, that just means these points here. Okay. All right, we want to know which measurement is closest to the area of the shaded region of the figure in square centimeters. So you're going to have to use your reference material. Okay, your reference material has a ruler of inches and it has a ruler of centimeters. Okay, they have asked us to measure in centimeters. So make sure you're using the side that says centimeters. You're going to have to physically measure this. All right, we're finding area. And we have a square and we have a circle. All right, so we have to measure these dimensions. This dotted line here is the diameter. I line up, I start at 0, I go to 10. So this diameter is 10 centimeters. Okay, I need the side length of the square. Okay, so I measure, I line up my 0 with the point, the vertice, and then I come over here and it's lining up with 7. Okay, so this is 7 centimeters. Okay, it's a square, so this means this other side is also going to be 7, but I'm going to measure it anyway. So we were lining up, we start at 0, here's 7, so this is also 7 centimeters. To find the area of this shape, I need my reference material. I go to the section that says area. I don't have one for square, but a rectangle or square is a special case of a rectangle. So I can do base times height. And I need the area of a circle, which is pi r squared. So my area of my circle is pi r squared. All right, so we have the area of a circle formula, and then we also have the area of the square or rectangle, which is base times height, which since it's a square, the two sides are the same, so we just multiply them together. So that's 7 times 7, and that's 49. So the square here has an area of 49 centimeters, and the circle will be pi 3.14 times the radius. I don't have the radius yet. This is diameter. So to get the radius, I'm going to half it. Okay, so I get 5. So this will be 3.4 times 5 squared. So this will be 3.14 times 25. My answer choices are pretty far apart, so I probably can just use 3 for pi, so I'm going to start with that. So I'm just going to do 25 times 3, which is 75. All right, so the whole circle is 75. If I subtract off the square of 49, I get 26. 26 is closest to this 29.5 here, so I'm pretty confident that's the answer. All right, so if I do multiply by 3.14 for pi, I get that the circle is 78.5. And then when I subtract off the area of the square, I get the 29.5, which is the answer choice. So that's a little bit more accurate, but I can get there close enough and not worry about decimals by just multiplying by 3. Okay, please write that you used your ruler to measure. Please write on here that you used your ruler to measure.